Hi, welcome back to new video. So today we are going to talk about how to make a donut chart in Tableau. So donut chart is basically just a pie chart, but it is the advanced version of pie chart. So there is just a hollowed circle in between the pie chart which makes it a donut chart. As simple as that. So let's make a donut chart. So it is very easy to make a donut chart in Tableau. So what I'll just do, I'll take the ship mode and drop it on to the column shelf, and I'll take the sales field and drop it on the row shelf. So as you can see, we have got our bar chart. So if you want to make a pie chart, you just have to click here show me option, which is right top onto our tableau. Click here and click on the pie chart. So as you can see, we have got our pie chart here. So what you have to do for making a donut chart, you have to create a calculation field, another calculation field. For creating a calculation field, you have to go and click here drop down function and click on create calculation field. So you will get one window. So select the name of your field. I'll select is a null. I'll take it as a null and put the value 0 over here. Click on OK. You can see we have our null value, and as you can see I'm using the superstore dataset for making this chart. So what you have to do, drag the null field and drop it on the row shelf, and you have to uh, do the same step again, drag the null field and drop it on the row shelf. So here you can see you have got two pie chart, and if you see here in the mark shelf, you will see one all option which represent the whole chart, whole visualization, and the sum null represent the upper chart, and the sum null to represent the lower chart. So what you have to do for making the pie chart, you just go to here, go to the row shelf, click on drop down and click on dual axis. After that, right click on your visualization and click on synchronize axis. So as you can see, you have got one pie chart. So go to the second chart and remove all of your field from the mark shelf. So here you can see uh, uh, all the pie chart has been, all the color has been gone. So go to the color shelf and select this as a white. Go to the size and decrease the size of the second chart. So as you can see, we have ready our pie chart, but this is pretty small. So go to the uh, click here drop down and click on entire view. So your donut chart is ready. For making this bigger, uh, select the uh, select the first chart and create make it a bigger size, and also increase the size of the second chart. So here you can see we have ready our donut chart, and for labeling it, you just have click on all function, uh, go to the second chart, drag the shift mode and drop it onto the label. So here you can see you have got all the name of your labels, and if you want to know the sales of your particular ship mode, so go to the sales field and drop it on the label. So here you have got your sales of your particular mode, and so this is the way you create the donut chart in the Tableau. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more.